Rich and happy greetings, friends. We are now celebrating Diwali, a festival of light. Moreover, I would say this is a festival of prosperity. This is a festival of richness, enjoyment, happiness, fulfillment in life. Friends, on this Diwali, on this auspicious day of Diwali, I would suggest everyone to take an oath and adopt a prayer of becoming rich and happy in your life. You work to possess all that materialistic things which you want in your life. If you're happy, and yes, let me tell you, you can buy happiness with money. Just write down all that things which makes you happy and find out whether that things requires money or not. And this simple activity, I guarantee you, will help you to realize how money is important in our lives. If you are happy, then only you can be spiritual. And to be happy, first you have to be rich. No any person in this world can be rich if his basic necessities are not taken care of. So you should be at least rich to take care of your basic necessities. And necessities keep on increasing. This is the one thing why you should earn more money. Second, if you are a good person, if you are really thinking good for community, for the world, then you should earn maximum. Friends, every living being in this world, in this universe, grow to its maximum possible potential. Every bird, every animal, every tree, even microorganisms or fungus also grow to its maximum possible potential. Unfortunately, there is one animal who limits himself or herself. Who are they? You already know about it. And you limit yourself with your limiting thoughts, limiting behavior, limiting belief system. Now, on this occasion of Diwali, I want you to think beyond your belief system. Break your limiting beliefs. Break your all that limiting thoughts which are stopping you to make money. Break all this limitation. Break your all barriers and earn as maximum as possible. Because if you are good, if you are thinking good for the society, money would be happy to be in your hands. Because then money knows that it could be used for right and good purposes. That's why in our Sanskriti also, we say Sulakshmi. So Sulakshmi is a good Lakshmi, is a good Lakshmi, is a goddess of wealth, richness, money. And money is required for great purposes, for well-being of all in this world. So I request every one of you to take an oath today on this auspicious day of Deepavali, a celebration of light, prosperity, wealth, richness, enjoyment, and happiness. So take oath to become rich and happy in your life. We are helping thousands of people across the globe to become rich and happy by adopting right kind of mindset. Stay tuned to us, stay connected with us, and always keep this in mind. Everything happens twice in this world. First, always in mind, and then in reality without exception. And this is the real magic in the world, that you can create the life which you want in your mind. Hold it with strong belief system. Have a faith on that. Works toward that. Takes the right kind of action. And that will be your reality. So create the world you want to create for yourself. Wish you happy, prosperous, rich, and happy Diwali.